production is. So I don't know if it's going to be for a movie or a television show, but they're building it to look like a subway station. We're going to stop here for a moment. We're going to give you time to get some pictures before we head back outside. Even when we come to a complete stop, please remember to remain seated and hold on. Although we're allowed to drive through the stage today, when they're ready to film, they're not going to allow the trams to drive through the stage. That's a little distracting. Hang on, we're having an earthquake. Trying to handle it. Poor Georgie. He doesn't know what he's in for. Oh, there's the shark! Right in the middle of the water, that's a big shark! It's coming this way! George! The shark is right in front of you! It just went underwater! The shark ate him! Yay! This is a really old dock that we're driving across. Everybody, please remain seated. The shark has the dock! It's still underwater, I don't see it. It's right next to us. Tram. Oh, be careful if you're sitting on the left side. There's a flood coming. There's a set behind your house. I want to show the people on the tram. Can we just drive through? Hey, put that away. Norman, don't walk towards Norman. I will tell your mother.